Number 1, GMC 1/2-ton pickup, 1967 year of issue. 67 GMC 1/2-ton pickup, titled No Motor, 3-speed on the floor, fair cab. It is a Chevy box on it now. Will make a decent truck yet. $2,500. If you like our videos, subscribe, you'll help us a lot. Number 2, International COE, 1964 year of issue. 64 IHC cab over truck. Cab and chassis, titled V8. Was last running around 10 years ago. Very clean cab. Would be a fun one to put on the road again. $2,500. Number 3, Ford 112-ton pickup, 1955 year of issue. 1955 Ford dump truck. Has a later model V8 in it. Engine is likely stuck. Body is in decent condition. Has some minor rust. We will grease up the hood and close it. We can also cut off the box and make it lighter if you prefer. No title. Asking $2,500. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 4, Oldsmobile 88, 1956 year of issue. 1956 Oldsmobile 88-2. Door hardtop. Has the original 324 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. Engine is seized. Car has had some front-end damage. Still has a lot of good parts left on it. Would make a great donor car. No title. Asking $2,500. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 5, Buick 8. 1953 year of issue. You are looking at a 1953 Buick 8 4-door. .8 CLD with automatic transmission. Good restoration project. I feel that my price of $2,500 is very realistic for a classic vehicle like this one. With the potential that this vehicle has. Number 6, Studebaker Lark. 1960 year of issue. You are looking at a 1960 Studebaker Lark the 6 Deluxe project car. This is a solid car with a flat 6 and manual transmission that needs restoring. I feel that my price of $2,500 is very realistic for a classic vehicle like this one. With the potential that this vehicle has. Number 7, Chevrolet C60, 1966 year of issue. (1966) Chevrolet C60 Truck. Has the original 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Truck runs and drives. We haven't had it started this year, but should fire up. Body is in decent shape, very minimal rust. Small spot of rust on the driver's side floor pan. Box sides are on the truck. Clean title. Asking $3,000. Located in Crookston, Minnesota. Number 8, Chevrolet Impala, 1969 year of issue. 69 Chevrolet Impala convertible. No title, sold with a bill of sale only. 350 auto, not running. Very rusty body. Floors, rockers, and lower quarter panels have lost of rust out. Frame also is rusted out in many spots. Fairly complete car. Rough builder or great parts car, $2,500. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.